All right, here we are, 2013 F-150 Ecoboost, Mr. Clayton's truck. He just got a timing chain job done. This guy did it. He was supposed to record this little bit, but he never picked up the camera. So we're gonna do it post haste real quick. If you have an electrical smell in your cab, it smells like an electrical burning or like just a burning smell in general, specifically at cold start. So on the back side of this valve cover here, is it on only this side or is there one on both?
What?
The vacuum pumps?
Just
yeah,
one.
just one. So you have a vacuum pump mounted to the back there. This gasket was leaking, dripping oil down onto the exhaust manifold, creating that smell. We literally, at one point, had the hood open, and you could smell it over here on these two plugs because it was wafting up this way. So we thought it was an electrical problem for quite a while. But then we finally realized what was going on. You could see the oil residue down on the manifold. So if you just shine a flashlight down in this area, you can see the residue down on your exhaust if that is the case. And it's not too bad of a fix. I'll see if I can link a video to it in the description because, you know, we missed out on that. But I just wanted to get that out there so people, if you need it, it can help you. I'll also put a link to the gasket to replace it or a vacuum pump in the description. But yeah, that's it. That's the burning smell in the morning.